Hi, this is Vizbl Support. In this video, we'll show you how to add Core AR to your online store. From uploading a 3D model to placing the integration button on a product page. Let's get started. If you haven't gone through onboarding yet, you'll need to add your domain first. Click your profile picture in the bottom left corner to open account settings. Go to the Domains tab. Click Add Domain and enter your site address. Enter your domain and click Add. Use the host name only. Open your Core AR dashboard and go to the Model Library tab. Click Upload Model and drag your file into the window, or browse to it manually. Once the model finishes uploading, click Add Model. To rename the model, click its name and enter a new one. Click Integration on the right side of the model preview. Select an integration type. We'll use this website to walk through the integration process. Copy the script and paste it into the head section. Paste the script just before the closing head tag. Copy the element code and paste it anywhere on your website. For a smoother shopping experience, place the element next to the Purchase button. To match your website's styling, add one of your existing CSS classes to the button. In this example, we're using BTN Cart, but your class name may be different. Be sure to include unstyled, or your custom button styling won't be applied. Your integration is now ready to test and launch. Find more guides for visible products in our Help Center.